Everybody, welcome to J&J Bowling. We have Mr. CJ Hurst. Is that, am I saying that correctly?
Yes.
Okay. He has challenged me to 1v1 3-game scratch, and it's not a house shot, it's a sports shot, and I have no idea what it is. So would you like to tell me and everybody what it is?
We are bowling on a 42-foot Scorpion.
42-foot Scorpion.
The 2023 version.
Okay. All right, so this is your house, so I'm gonna let you go first.
All righty then.
All right. Hey. Good luck, buddy.
Yeah.
Great shot.
I'll take the Brooklyn.
All right, guys, so I need a little practice with this. I still didn't know what it was, so I kind of have a general idea of where to stand.
Gotta get the ball out.
So it's not gonna look as good as his, but we're gonna try our best.
A 5-pin. Starting out with a 5.
Like you say, guys, it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna look really pretty, but it's gonna be fun.
Fucking Doug. Fucking Doug.
We are using the Widow 3.0.
There you go. That's a good shot.
Thank you.
All right. Get the ball out. We know it'll come back. Maybe not. Let's pick this. We'll do it like the pros. Here's a spare ball.
Great pickup.
All right. Get it out, but not that far. That's not getting the ball out.
Another Brooklyn.
I can't get it out, Captain.
I noticed that. I thought it didn't work for you then.
It didn't work. It just got stuck. Pretty easy when you're a lefty. By the drive. Will the 7-pin be his downfall? go. It stayed straight.
Yep. 7 pins is gonna be a premium if I can make them.
All right. Let's make this slam. Why am I going out for?
That's trouble.
You wanted to come back out? Walking fast. Let's see what we can do. A little better. Thump, 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 thump.
There you go.
Have a good night, man. Go ahead.
Try to throw a little bit better, guys. I have trouble.
Little double dribble.
What's that?
Little double dribble.
Yeah, I tried to throw it a little bit. That's why I said I wanted to throw it a little bit better. And I got a little too far inside.
Another double dribble. There's my opening. Those are my fuck ups. Why am I going out that far? Keep going with it. Oh, I missed.
Oh. Sorry, shake it off.
Trying to use spare ball when I don't use spare ball. I never use it for the left side.
Yeah.
But I've been practicing it, so
Yeah, that's
might as
good.
well keep practicing with it.
Huh?
I said might as well keep practicing with it.
Yeah, I feel more comfortable. I mean, I had that one. I just moved over a little bit, just threw it. You know. I'm sure I'll have to throw it at some point. Besides the 7
Alright,
pin.
let's slam this shit. Come on. Speed's right. Nine-pin hoop, that'll be all right.
Fair. All right, guys, we need to get some strikes here. I believe we're close. Stay in the pocket there. That one looks pretty good.
Ooh.
I like that one. Fortune wasn't good enough.
Oh, shit. Hey, what the fuck, dude?
Ah, I can't miss him. Can't miss him.
You definitely can't miss that.
Can't miss 10 pins. I was thinking about just hooking it over, but I'm not sure. I should have tried it in practice. Never did. Let's see if I can just hook it into it instead of throwing it straight at it. All right, we need a strike here.
Too high. Oh. Double up. Put some pressure, tell him. Nope. I can't. Why am I sending it out like that?
Wow.
Oh, shit. Burn it out for 2 and 3.
Wow.
All right, square up. Do what the fuck you know how to do. This sucks.
Just a reminder, guys, this is a 3-game scratch series. So anything can happen. Recovery. There. So you guys know, we are standing on 22 and looking at like 10.
Yeah, you can tell I haven't bowled on sports.
Just barely throwing it. Yeah, it's around 10. 9 or 10 board there. You make 7s though. Gotta make them.
You just need some oil out there to make a 7.
Huh?
I said you just need some oil out there to make the 7. I'll get the game.
I went 3 for 4 tonight, 7 pins. But like you said, of course, the one I missed was a costly one. Let's see if we can finish this off, guys. Stay, hold. Wow. I dropped a little early and it floated out. All right, see if we can make this. At least get close to at least get count here.
You're second in the game. Respectable game.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Alright, let's finish the fuck out. Get this shit over with. Because this game sucks.
Great shot. You are trying, right?
Yeah?
Okay. Just want to make sure. Maybe take it easy on me. I don't know. He said this is a pattern he picked out. So. No, I didn't really ask you any questions.
Not the first game.
But, so what ball are you throwing?
Right now I'm throwing the Scorpion Low Flare from Hammer.
Oh, okay.
First
That
time
just came out, didn't it?
It did. First time throwing it on the sport.
Okay.
I do have it at 3,000 surface. Tamed it down for my revs.
Okay. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, I know you're my hair off right now, and I know that's going to change.
Just getting used to it.
All right, man. It was a great first game.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go on to the second one.